Here we have our all new CW190 pit bike. The biggest engine ever fitted to a pit bike and the very first ones in Ireland. Electric start, backup kick start, 5-speed gearbox, 1 down 4 up, big wheels, loads of treat bits, disc brakes, 17-inch front rim on it. Sounds sweet. Give the engine a rev so you can hear it. Our all new CW190. So here we go. Have a listen to this, baby. Bit of poke in that. There's the kick start. Wavy disc brakes. This is top of the range suspension, gripper seat. So the brand new CW190 at Muck and Fun. Finance arranged on these bikes. Home delivery only €60. So our all new CW190, the very first ones in Ireland. Inline air filter. Serious fun and great value for a new bike. We also do a CW50 for the kids, CW90, CW125, CW140, CW160. All at Muck and Fun and all on muckandfun.com. So the brand new CW190 pit bikes at Muck and Fun. Need any info or help and advice, just let us know. Open 6 days, Tuesday to Sunday, just closed Monday. So the all new CW190 pit bikes at Muck and Fun.